Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we will create a tranquil landscape using simple lines and shapes. Grab your favorite sketching tools and let's dive in. If you are ready, let's bring this peaceful scene to life on paper. Happy drawing and don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments. The art's heart beats in rhythm with the graphite. Dream takes shape in the solitude of creation. Echoes of inspiration reverberate in the stillness. A symphony of lines and curves orchestrates in a visual poem. The world fades away, leaving only the artist and the art. Each stroke is a step closer to understanding. In the silence, the mind finds clarity. Colors of emotion blend and merge in a silent dance. The artist's hand becomes a conduit for expressions. With each line drawn, a piece of the soul is revealed. Thoughts and feelings manifest in graphite and ink. The solitude of creation is a sanctuary for the spirit. The page becomes a mirror reflecting the artist's inner world. In the stillness, creativity flourishes. Subscribe for more artistic adventures on Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Until next time, happy sketching. Thank you.